Hey everyone, today's video we're going to be talking about in-store refills. To get to in-store refills, click on in-store refills in the navigation pane and you will be brought to this page. Now it looks simple. What this does is you can type in an RX number. We're going to query the PioneerRx database at your pharmacy, and then we're going to give you the result of whether it can be refilled or not. So just like an IVR or with a pharmacy agent, this allows you to refill prescriptions without having Pioneer in front of you. So scenarios, you got a pharmacy tech working at home for the day, they're answering the phone, they're still in the queue or our call group, and they need to refill prescriptions quickly. They might have a stack of Post-it notes. They're just going to go through here quickly to do that. This is how they do it. So 923691, this is a demo number. You click search. There's patient Fred Durst. Yes, it is refillable. They want to pick this up. Actually, we might want to change that. We might want to change that to delivery because they just called in and said, well, they want to do that. You click refill. Now it sends it to the refill queue in Pioneer. Pretty straightforward. You can type in multiple RX numbers, just put a comma, then type the next number, and you can search them all at once and just send them all at once. That's how you do that. Pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about that, never hesitate. Click this icon down here to talk with our support staff. If you do not see that help icon, click right Get Help in the bottom left. It will be activated. This is the way you can interact with our support team. Lean on them. They are there to serve you. They're going to answer in 60 seconds or less. And also, you can give us a call. If you got a question, day or night, we'll help you out. All right. Well, thank you and have a blessed day.